Ben. You're good. Just why don't you get my nose in there?
Yeah, your nose is in there.
Yeah, no shit, eh?
Go, 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 quick, quick.
Film this guy. I don't want to film this guy.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby.
All right, guys, this is our situation back here. We're just completely...
No, you're trying to push me out.
I feel like... This is the situation we got back here. I have no seat room.
I know
We're
that guy.
fully...
Oh my god.
Back here, there's like no... What?
That doesn't wave back at me. There's a truck right there.
Exploring it.
Yeah, he waved back at me. I just waved at him and he waved back. He's like...
I got a rolling pin, tongs, spatula right in my head. I'm just waiting for like an accident and them to just all fall on me. So
Every day is sale day.
every day is sale day. Okay then. Log cabins for sale. Oh my goodness, no way.
I can't wait to get plowed.
What? No.
Clear! Don't get in the water, clear!
Now it's pre-game interview. How do you feel right now?
Psyched, man.
I'm confused. We're gonna have to drive through that?
No, we're gonna have to climb over that.
You're fucked. You're gonna shovel that shit up. With their tiny shovels, they're gonna shovel.
You're gonna shovel that
comes
shit
with a
up.
shovel.
This is Limberlost, guys. That road to your right is a real cabin.
It's like an actual cabin. We have a shed.
That's not there's no fun in that.
We're gonna do a room by room no tour. Fun in actually being warm. It's gonna be very exciting.
There's one room.
Oh, there's no fun in that.
I'm not saying that like
I am in the shop.
Oh, guys, they turned the heat on for us already.
Dead ass?
Yes.
They're so nice.
Are you gonna make it?
Fantastic, man.
use your legs. Did you guys find the fireplace? Oh wow. You know why I don't want to hear it?
I'm heading to bed now too. A little bit cold, but
You want me to cuddle with you?
no. That's why we're across from one another.
We're gonna go for a hike. There's something down there.
It's travel you got going there. First time using snowshoes, but we're gonna take a trip out here, even though it's off the trail, out to the lake. Ben, what? Let's go. What? Let's go. My glove is frozen to my snowshoe, which fell off my foot halfway through the hike. Something following me? Probably. Well, I've got some beer on my face. Ready?
I just thought it's funny because Ben's like standing up there like this. He's like,
Yeah, unlock
Riley. Krusty Krab. Here you go.
Thanks. Thank you, I appreciate that, Hugh.
Yeah, go.
right.
We're going.
No, we're not going. Don't even bother me.
Is other dude eating in his truck yet? No, he's not.
Why are they stopping? I'm scared.
I'm assuming it's gonna be difficult.
You just slowly see the truck disappear.